I've spent the last 72 hours tearing apart the specs, analyzing the real-world flight data, and comparing the top contenders for this year. We're looking at the beastly DJI Mini 5 Pro with its omnidirectional sensors, the experimental game-changer Antigravity A1 shooting in 8K 360, and the speed demon DJI Avata 2. Starting at number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise Thermal Advanced Drone. Capture more with an impressive 45-minute maximum flight time, ensuring comprehensive aerial data collection without frequent battery changes. This extended flight duration allows for extensive surveying of large areas or in-depth inspections, making it an ideal choice for professionals in fields such as agriculture, construction, and environmental monitoring. Users can maximize productivity and efficiency, spending less time on battery swaps and more time gathering vital information. Superior camera quality. Equipped with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, this drone offers breathtaking 12MP and 48MP still image resolutions and 4K video recording capabilities. With these high specifications, users can expect exceptionally clear and detailed aerial imagery, whether for photography, videography, or analytical purposes. The advanced imaging technology enhances color accuracy and light sensitivity, ensuring that the footage and photos captured are not only visually stunning but also reliable for professional use. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom SE GPS drone is a state-of-the-art flying device that comes equipped with a high-definition 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, camera. This feature ensures that the images and videos captured during flight are smooth and clear, minimizing any motion blur, which is especially important for aerial photography and videography. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone is lightweight and portable, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. Its compact design allows for easy storage and transport, and it can be easily folded for convenience. With an impressive flight time of up to 62 minutes, the Potensic Atom SE enables users to enjoy extended flying sessions without frequent recharging. This is particularly beneficial for capturing longer videos or exploring larger areas without interruption. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo, DJI RC, Drones. The DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo is a remarkable drone that shines in various aspects, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. This package features the DJI RC remote controller, enhancing the flying experience with its user-friendly interface. One of the standout features of the Mini 3 is its impressive 4K camera quality, providing stunning aerial footage that captures vibrant colors and sharp details. With 3 included batteries, users can enjoy a long flight time of up to 114 minutes, allowing for extended exploration and shooting sessions without the frequent need to recharge. The Mini 3 supports vertical shooting, catering to the growing trend of social media content creation, enabling users to produce high-quality vertical videos easily. Moreover, this drone boasts a maximum video transmission range of 32,800 feet, 10 kilometers, ensuring a reliable connection and clear video feed even at substantial distances. Its lightweight design makes it easily portable, perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Number 4. HOVERAir X1 Drone. HOVERair X1 Drone with camera is an advanced self-flying camera drone designed for both novice and experienced users. This drone features a unique Follow Me mode that allows it to autonomously track and capture video of you as you move, making it perfect for outdoor adventures, action sports, or simply documenting your daily activities. One of the standout features of the HOVERair X1 is its foldable design, making it extremely portable and convenient for travel. You can easily pack it in a backpack or carry it with you on your excursions. The drone also boasts HDR, high dynamic range, video capture, ensuring that your recordings are vibrant and detailed, even in challenging lighting conditions. The technology behind the HOVERair X1 includes intelligent flight paths that enable programmed routes for capturing stunning aerial footage without the need for manual control. This feature, combined with palm takeoff capability, means you can easily launch and land the drone from your hand. Number 5. Adults 4K, GPS Auto Return and Follow Me Drone. Introducing the ultimate drone experience for adults with our 4K camera-equipped quadcopter. This cutting-edge drone features a GPS auto-return function, ensuring that it can easily find its way back to you, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned flyers alike. With a lightweight design of under 249 g, it's conveniently foldable, allowing for easy transport and storage. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers quiet operations and enhanced durability. Safety is prioritized with an obstacle alert system, preventing potential collisions during flights. The package includes 3 high-capacity batteries, allowing for extended flight times, perfect for capturing stunning aerial photography or enjoying outdoor adventures. Designed for users aged 14 and up, this drone is not only user-friendly but also packed with features like the Follow Me function, which makes it easier than ever to capture dynamic shots while on the move. So there you have it, the cream de la cream of foldable drones available for purchase right now in 2026. Whether you're chasing the cinematic clarity of the Mini 5 Pro or the immersive 360 magic of the Antigravity A1, the choice ultimately depends on your sky.